Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to log in to your Spendee application using your mobile device. Logging into Spendee is a straightforward process. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. To log into Spendee application, the first thing you need is to launch open Spendee application from your app drawer. If you don't have the app yet, make sure you download first and then tap on the app icon to launch it open. To sign into your existing account for Spendee, you will need to select the sign-in options displayed on the screen. If you've previously selected Apple ID, Google account or Facebook account, you will need to do the same over here. Choose one of the process that you previously used while signing up for Spendee. Since I used the email option, I will need to tap on Login with Email at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select one of the login options and then enter the rest of the information as prompted on the screen. If you select the email option, you will need to enter your email address in the text box that is associated with your Spendee account. Make sure you type in your email correct. And then, in the next field where it says password, type in your password as well. If you don't remember your password or if you are having trouble accessing your password currently, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. Once you type in the correct password, tap on Login and you will be able to sign in or log in to your Spendee application. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.